Hey family, hope you guys are doing well. For those of you who don't know, I have recently launched a Christian clothing brand called Disciple of Jesus. And so I finally received my first package from my clothing brand. So I wanted to open these up with you guys and just share the experience with you because I have yet to see my own merchandise. And so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. And so hopefully it's good. And so yeah, let's look at it together. So if I'm not mistaken, this box is going to be the hats. So I ordered a toque and a cap. Check it out. Disciple of Jesus hat. Fire. And by the way, all of these are going to be available in the description. If you just click on the link. So, wow, this is cool. Disciple of Jesus hat. So we can represent Jesus wherever we are with these hats. Nice. And I got the toque also. Check it out. Perfect for the fall and winter season. I like it. Disciple of Jesus. Now, I think this is the sweater. So let's check out the sweater. Oh my gosh, this is harder today than I thought. Disciple of Jesus hoodie. Wow. This is better than I expected. Disciple of Jesus. Let me put it on real quick. All right. This is what it looks like, guys. Disciple of Jesus. Bold white letters. Amazing. Oh, let me stand up real quick. This is what it looks like, guys. Let me wear the hat. Forgive me for the camera angle. All right, so let me know what you guys think. This is actually really good quality. So if you guys are interested, just click the link in the description. I'm super happy with the quality and it's exactly how we designed it. And so if you guys are interested in getting the hat or the sweater, I also have other products that are on the website. You can check it out. Just click the link in the description. And so God bless you guys. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.